Let's go through the OxyData app from ViewVision. It is a medical gas analyzer app. So this is the screen where you can see the 4 devices. Now this is a user detail page where you have to enter the name of the user, then the company or the company name or the hospital name. So and city means contact number, an email ID, and you have to click on the submit button. Now this is the basically the main dashboard, or you can say the landing page of the app, where you can see the 3 options, which is connect, demo mode, and the option for viewing the past reports, or you can say the reports. So let's go through the demo mode. So when clicked on the demo mode, you can see the 2 parts on the screen. One is the graph and another are the numerical values. Both of them are the same values. So the numerical value which is shown on the screen is been printed in the graph form. So the graph is continuous and that you can see easily. So when you click, basically there are four things which are displayed on the screen, which is O2 purity, flow, pressure, and temperature. So when you click on the O2 purity, so it provides you the option to change the maximum as well as the minimum limits. So like this, and when clicked on the OK, so that changes will be saved and you can see it again. And same goes with the flow, pressure, and temperature. And here is the serial number, means basically it provides you the information about the company, means ViewVision which has created this project. So company profile, company email, and phone number, and basically the version for the app. And after that it's option of reports, so you can view the reports for the data which is shown. See, here it is. Now there are basically 4 options in the report. One is current report, daily report, weekly report, and monthly report. Basically current report, so here you can add the remarks for the report if any. When click, you can see that the current reading, means which is shown on the screen, will be displayed here, and you can click on the report button to generate the reports. And here is the report. And now when back, now there is again option of daily report when fonts a single date, again remarks if any. Now same goes with the report. Then for the weekly report, in basically the weekly report, you have to select a single date and that whole week will be selected from Saturday to Sunday.